Microsoft, speaking of laptops, Microsoft is still going after Apple. And I don't know how you feel about this. Well, I mean,
They doubled down.
Some people get very upset about this thing, and they say, come on, Microsoft, why you got to do all this? I mean, because they had, wait a sec, was it Microsoft? No, Intel was going after Apple, and Microsoft going after, I mean, everybody's going after Apple, which some would say means that Apple's doing something right. Everybody put a target on your back. For the Surface product, they obviously shot a series of videos with this individual. I presume these are actors or up-and-coming influencers. Or I don't know.
Yeah.
I don't know how this works. And they continue to identify features on the Surface products in reference to Apple products, or in reference to features that exist on the Surface products that are not available on Apple products. So they're goofing on dongles, and they're goofing on touchscreen and all these type of things. Mm-hmm. And then they talk about price. Anyway, you can watch a little bit of the clip there, Will. I know you need to be updated on this stuff, whatever happens to be going on. Oh, this video introduces his sister, by the way.
Oh, okay.
Which got me to thinking he's an actor, but the format is very non-actory. Like the format is, today we're checking out whatever. The format is very just what you're used to on YouTube for product video.
Oh, okay.
So that's what makes it a bit confusing, because he says, hey, meet my sister. And I'm like, wait, is that actually your sister?
Is it?
Well, I'm like, wait, because it's YouTube. You're watching it on YouTube, and it's maybe that's the idea, right?
Yeah, maybe. But it makes it more confusing.
Let me ask something right now. Is that his actual sister, or is that another actor?
I think it's another actor. Another TikToker.
Another actor. So it's not his sister. He's calling her his sister.
Yeah.
That's Willie Doo's bet. Anyway, you can play the video.
Surface Laptop 4, and my sister's here to help.
Let's do it.
Surface Laptop is touchscreen.
Is the MacBook Air touchscreen? How could you not have a touchscreen?
Surface Laptop.
How could you not?
USB and a USB-A. MacBook Air doesn't have that.
Better bring your dongle.
Ooh, dongle insult. Better bring your dongle.
Boom.
That's the new Surface Laptop 4.
Gaming boom.
Oh,
Real
man.
nice.
Man, I feel like
They're too friendly to be real siblings, I think.
Look at that. Look what it says right now. Microsoft what?
Back?
Hey, man.
I had to say it.
Say the whole word. Say the whole thing.
Surf back.
We're so dumb. Oh, man.
What a word. Okay.
So, what's going on here? Is this all right? Or like
dongles?
I don't really care. I don't go for it. If you really think, if this is your strategy, if you want to remind people of things you can do on your product and you can't do on some other product, which you perceive as a market leader, I really don't care. Like, ultimately, a person's going to make up their mind. Do they care about a dongle?
But is this the right approach for an ad? Is this good for selling your product by making fun of another brand?
But the thing is, are they really making fun of it? Are they making fun of a MacBook? Or are they just identifying, like, I guess, better bring your dongle.
Yeah.
Is that making fun though? Or I mean, it is a reality.
Sure, yeah, it's factual.
It's factual.
You have to bring it.
Yeah. I think the reason that people don't like this is because there's no dialogue. It's not like they're identifying the pros and cons on each side. It's just you're targeting some other product that would have some advantages and some disadvantages. Mm-hmm. And it's lopsided because obviously you're marketing one as being the perfect solution and the other one. It would be interesting to see it if it was an actual pros and cons comparison.
Just go right into it.
But it was an actual ad where it was like, look, this computer does this well. Here's what ours does well.
Sure, yeah.
Then I feel like, it's a little bit more believable. People say, okay, cool. Like you obviously understand not every customer is your customer, but
This could be a jab to the maybe the 90s Apple commercials with the I'm a PC, I'm a Mac. Maybe.
it does feel somewhat similar. That's why I brought
they
it
don't
up.
do it well here.
Well, but you could say the same
looks
with the
very
Intel thing.
Yeah,
Everybody's reaching back for that moment,
but that was a different time too.
but it was also Apple doing it in the other direction.
Yes.
And that's received differently, isn't it?
Yeah.
When is Apple doing in that direction? See, that's the thing, is that now everybody's saying, oh, it ain't a good look to be taking shots. But actually, Apple was doing that. If you think about the I'm a Mac, I'm a PC campaign, that's
But they did it fairly well too.
talking about the comedy of it.
Yeah.
Were you
The timing of it,
Really?
Justin Long.
so you were cracking up when those came out?
Yeah, I had a barrel of laughs.
Yeah, maybe. I don't know. I don't remember all that well, but I agree with you. Like if you click on these videos and you got all these dislikes and stuff going on. And, it's like a 50-50 ratio.
Wow, 50-50.
And the last one did some views on it too. The last one was like 500,000 or 600,000 views. The original one that kicked this thing off in the bottom left over there. Microsoft Surface Pro 7, still the better choice. Whatever it is, it's rubbed people. It rubbed them. It got their attention. And so that's something. And we always talk about this. It's always so complicated because it's like sometimes these things that feel memey end up just getting more attention, even if people are there to critique it.
Sure, yeah.
Somehow, here we are again talking about Surface products. So this is where it gets complex in the analysis of did it work or not work. Like we're doing it, we're doing the thing. I got the article from Mac Rumors, so Mac Rumors is doing it. So Surface lives in our brain. Surface gets some real estate. Surface gets mentioned in the conversation.
Yeah.
Complex stuff.
Now I can't think of anything but Surface.
Surface.
Surfac. That's what it was.
Can you say the whole thing with the Microsoft in there?
Microsoft Surfac.
You see, I want one of those. I want one of those.
Premium product, everyone.